Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn all trigonometric identities. First, let's establish the foundational identities. Begin by defining sine, cosine, and tangent, which are the core functions. Next, grasp the reciprocal identities. Cosecant is 1 over sine, secant is 1 over cosine, and cotangent is 1 over tangent. Finally, master the three Pythagorean identities, such as sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1, which are crucial for many derivations. Moving on, we tackle the sum and difference identities. These allow you to find the sine or cosine of an angle like 75 degrees by using known angles such as 45 and 30 degrees. Then, delve into the double angle identities, which express trigonometric functions of 2 theta in terms of functions of theta. For example, sine 2 theta equals 2 sine theta cosine theta. Consistent practice with these formulas is key to simplifying complex expressions effectively. Now, let's explore the half-angle identities, which are useful for finding exact values of angles like 22.5 degrees. These identities often involve a plus or minus sign, requiring careful consideration of the quadrant. Next, familiarize yourself with the product to sum and sum to product formulas. These identities transform products of trigonometric functions into sums or differences, and vice versa, simplifying integration and other calculations. Recognizing their patterns will significantly aid your recall. To truly master these identities, consistent effort is essential. Start by creating flashcards for each identity, writing the formula on one side and its name on the other. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to solving a variety of practice problems, focusing on different types of identities. Additionally, visualize the unit circle to understand the geometric derivations of identities, which can deepen your conceptual understanding and improve recall. This systematic approach will ensure comprehensive learning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.